Hi everyone, Nagin here to do Wellness Wednesday tips, and today I'm going to talk about our OnGuard product line. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about OnGuard and some of the products that doTERRA has put out in that OnGuard line. So the oil itself is a proprietary blend of wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And these oils all combined can really help to boost and support our immune system when taken internally. So the oil can be taken in a shot of water. It comes in the little beadlets, and if you use the beadlets, you can just allow them to pop in your mouth, and it's really good for your gum health, and then you get the internal absorption for the immune support that way. The oil also comes in a soft gel form, which can be taken internally, and that really helps anytime you're kind of feeling any threats of any kind, or just in the winter as a boost for your immune system. You can take those daily. Diffusing OnGuard smells really wonderful. The cinnamon and the clove, rosemary, it's all very fresh and clean, and it purifies the air in your home. So if anybody's sick, it's a good way to just cleanse and purify the air. It can also be added to a roller ball with fractionated coconut oil and be used topically, and it's really good for clearing and cleansing the skin, and then also you get that internal absorption from topical use that can help support your immune system. And then doTERRA has come out with quite a few other OnGuard products, one being the cleaner concentrate, and you just use a tablespoon of this and mix it in a 32 milliliter bottle, spray bottle, and you can use it as your all-purpose general cleaner. And last year at convention, a woman came and spoke from Johns Hopkins and was telling us about some tests they did on bacteria, where they sprayed OnGuard on a Formica tabletop and introduced some bacteria, I believe it was like a MRSA bacteria, and it did not proliferate even after 4 days after the OnGuard had been sprayed. So it's a very high antibacterial cleaner. So it's really good for your countertops, cleaning your floors, your bathrooms, anywhere, doorknobs, all sorts of things. So it's a great antibacterial, which kind of brings us to what they came out most recently with, which is the hand sanitizer. And this is a great alternative to some hand sanitizers that are out there. Of course, it has that wonderful smell from the wild orange and cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus. It also has an apple extract in here, and it makes the hands really like soft and smooth. So after you put it on, it dries really quickly. It's not sticky at all, and then it actually leaves your hands feeling like nice and soft too. And then they have the foaming hand wash, and I use this here at work and at home, in our bathrooms. And again, I just dilute the concentrate with water in this pump, and it's a foaming hand wash. And so that's really good. And they have also a laundry detergent, and it's in a concentrated form as well. And so you can purify and clean your laundry with the OnGuard line as well. The toothpaste is just one of my favorite OnGuard products. I've been using it for years, and it actually has a whitening component to it. It also helps break down plaque. It's a fluoride-free, good toothpaste, and actually since I've been using it, my dentist has been commenting on my gum health and how he thinks that this toothpaste is really helping my oral health. So, and it tastes really great. It also has wintergreen and peppermint added to it, so it's kind of like a cinnamon minty flavor, and it's really awesome. It's a great replacement for the toothpastes that are out there, the toothpaste you might be using. So that's really it on the OnGuard products, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to post. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful Wednesday, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.